National Drug Law Enforcement Agency (NDLEA) on Tuesday in Lagos again said Ablaze 1.8 tons of cocaine recovered from a warehouse in the Ikorodu area of Lagos on 19th of September. The news agency of Nigeria NAN reports that the anti-narcotic agency had, on September 19, stormed a warehouse in a well-coordinated and intelligence-led operation that lasted 2 days and seized the hard drugs. The drugs were seized at the warehouse where they were hidden at number 6 Olukonola Street, Solebo Estate, Ikorodu, with 5 suspects, including a Jamaican, arrested. Following the historical seizure, which is the largest in the agency's history, an order of a federal high court in Lagos was immediately obtained for public destruction of the consignment. Chairman and Chief Executive of NDLEA, retired Brigadier General Buba Mawa, assured that tougher time awaits drug barons and the cartels operating in the country if they fail to back out of their criminal trade and embrace legitimate ventures. Mawa, who led other stakeholders to crush and set ablaze the recovered drugs in Badagry area of the state, maintained that the agency would not succumb to the activities of illicit drug traffickers and addicts. Represented by the agency's Director of Prosecution and Legal Services, Deputy Commander General of Narcotics, DCGN, Mr. Sunday Joseph, Mawa put the value of the seized drug at 194.8 million naira. Following the burning of the drugs, Nigerians have come out to blast the agency. See their reactions. Do you think the NDLEA should have kept the drugs?